It's like a lava lamp. See the drop underneath? It's a drop. The drop goes up and touches the top.
Quick, what are you doing? What are we making?
We are making my sister a cake. We are talking very...
You talk normal. I'll whisper.
We're making my sister a cake. Her birthday cake. We don't want her to come out at this time. It's supposed to be a surprise. This is supposed to be the water area. And then we're gonna put an island there. So we'll see how that goes.
Okay.
We need 1 cup of water and half cup oil and 3 eggs. And you just wanna pour it in there. And then we want to whisk it.
What?
Whisk it.
You said misc.
Yeah. Sometimes I say my language. We're basically following the instructions. And first, now we want to do is set the oven to 350 degrees. What?
What do you got to do first? Nope, go back to the oven. Oh, yeah, gotta get everything out of the oven before you turn it on.
Yeah, we usually put our pots and pans in there. Oh, and we know that my sister stays in the bathroom for a long time, so we were waiting till she goes into the bathroom. Okay, I got it. Okay, that's everything. Okay, now we want to set the oven to 350 degrees. So as that heats up, we're gonna start mixing this in. So now we want to put the cake mix in. Okay, we're gonna do the funfetti cake mix, so there's gonna be spots and chunks in it. As you can see, there are little colorful chunks. You want to move that out of the way and put everything in there. And then you mix. So we got this ready for the cake mix. We sprayed it with stuff that'll make the cake not stick.
Olive oil.
We coated olive oil, which we coated it with flour, as you can see, and that's how we're gonna make sure that the dough doesn't, or the batter, or the mix doesn't stick. And this is what it should look like if you're doing the same thing as this. We got this from Fairway, just to let you know. Fairway that is near us. So we ain't gonna add this to the oven until it goes beep beep beep, which is when it is ready. Looks like it's getting close. It's at 41 degrees. It's keep on going higher.
It's not 41 degrees.
40. It keeps on going higher, so it's 46.
No.
49.
It says 300 and... It's 3...
It's time.
Well done. It wasn't 41 degrees, it was 341. Now it's 300 and what?
50
So
degrees.
It's what? How many degrees?
350 degrees.
Big
Yeah.
difference, huh?
Yeah. It keeps on going up fast though, once it's heated up already. It starts getting up to 100. So you're gonna need something like this to help scrape the edges once you're done pouring. So you're going to have to pour it all around if you're gonna use a bundt cake shape. We're just gonna have the bundt upside down cake. Okay, we got it poured in, as you can see. We're going to put it in the oven. Just gotta open it up. Make sure my hands ain't gonna touch the metal. And put it in there. And we're going to have it cook for... can you pause? I need to check. Okay, I checked them. It is 39 to 43 minutes. You can choose in between there or choose 39 or 43 minutes. Okay, the bundt cake is in there. We'll check on it again in 39 to 43 minutes.
Oh.
Well, see you later. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Okay, my cleaning is done. I just need a hot pad. Need a hot pad. Need a hot pad. Or a rack. Okay, need a second glove. And there it is. Just need to let it cool.
Ta-da!
Bye.
Dude.
Off the fan.
Oh, yeah, good boy. Turn the ceiling fan off.
Yes, it's gonna blow out my candles before I can.
Think?
Yes.
Jenny, who? Jenny. It's off already.
Jenny, just leave things alone, will you?
Get in here.
My face is nice and toasty.
Okay. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha
Cha
cha.
cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear
Julia.
Little Miss.
Cha cha cha.
Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Boy, that went out fast.
Where's my plate?
You said he didn't want any. They didn't want any.
You're just teasing me.
Hey, it's too early.